Hi, my name is Mrs. Lewis and I am the visual art teacher here at VWHS High School, and I'm going to be talking to you about Drawing and Painting 2. So Drawing and Painting 2 is the course that comes after Fundamentals of 2D. So Fundamentals of 2D is the prerequisite for this course. And in Drawing and Painting 2, we are looking further at the mediums of graphite pencil, colored pencil. We will be doing watercolor and acrylic painting and some other 2D mediums and exploring those. And we are creating larger scale projects and focusing more on how we can use these techniques to create content versus learning how to use the techniques as a skill, if that makes sense. We will be doing what we do in most of my classes. We will have rubric assignments, which you will complete a rubric to grade your project, and I will also grade it to give you feedback on your work. We'll do peer-to-peer critiques in which you're getting feedback on your work and analyzing your work, and we'll do sketchbook assignments before every project to get your ideas out, and sketchbook prompts to prepare us creatively and to practice doing different things from still life drawing, observation drawing, so on and so forth. So again, the prerequisite for this course is Fundamentals of 2D, and this is a great option for anybody freshman through senior if you can fit both courses in your course load as a freshman or possibly as a sophomore. And this course is a really good jumping point into studio drawing or studio painting, which you can take after Drawing and Painting 2.